Good morning. It is 4 a.m. We're heading to the airport to fly out to Moab, Utah for the Bronco experience. And we have an Arches tour today too, so that'll be our third national park this year, which is awesome. And we're really excited to go put the Bronco through its paces on some trails. Come along, won't you? And there's the dinosaur taking a dump. What is that tree doing there?
Wow,
It's the invisible swordsman. It's gonna be there. Okay, so we're heading down to breakfast, getting ready for the Bronco event thing. We got about an hour until we eat. Look at this place. Crazy. Now we're getting on the trail. Yeah!
Just a little bit on that side tilt and get your tires down low, you'll get a little bit. Oh, there you go. Alright, so if you do wind up losing traction there, yeah, you can
Stop. 20 degrees.
Yep.
And then just turn and come down. Sharp.
how do I do the differential?
So up on the zero bar, up on the dash, just above the screen in the middle, there's some buttons up there. So you're going to have a couple of them that have like 4 wheels and they have a lock button.
Okay, so he has both front and rear locked right now. Okay. That front's open? Okay. So the front differential is open right now. That's rubbing. And then if my motto is, it's not just mine. It ain't rubbing, it ain't racing. So that kind of noise is totally okay. Those are normal off-road noises, and we're going to hear those a couple times today. Don't freak out. So now this is a Badlands model with 33-inch tires. So if you're driving a Sasquatch, you're going to have a little more clearance. You're probably not going to get that rub because you've got about 3 more inches of clearance because of the height of the tires and a little bit of that lift in there to clear those tires. So he's got full traction in the back and all that traction in the front. So
he doesn't have his differential
no,
locked?
he unlocked it. So yep.
Okay.
Come up right here. Okay. You can see how having that window down helps. It's that communication that you have. So no problems getting over that ledge. Now this is the Sasquatch. It does have the 35-inch tires. So now he's losing traction on that rear wheel. So if he does the rear lockers, that should be enough to give him traction on the other. Yep, just like that. So even though we might not be able to need all of the technology that's in it.
Stop. Are you videotaping this? Videotape it, go over us, sweeping.
Let me get out.
Yeah.
So ready? 1, 2, 3. So that's how much more droop you can get with that stabilizer bar disconnect. You're going to get probably about 4 to 6 inches roughly on average. I don't know the exact numbers. Kelly knows the exact numbers. I don't know them, but you get enough.
That's cool. Trail turn assist. Yeah. My wife's cooler than your wife. Get it! You're doing 60 miles an hour. That's awesome.
Big rock, right?
Yeah, so you don't hit the turn generally. And then try and go as straight down as possible. Crazy stuff in this today. That's a good drop.
I said stay to the left, right?
Yeah. It's because it's really steep on the right.
So fun to gun too. I'm sad about that.
You could have just backed back up over the rock. Jump it. I'm gonna post this video and we're gonna get a letter from the off-roadeo. Hey. That's the cooler, not the truck. Get it.
drop down a little fast for you? You can't swear on this. Now I gotta bleep it out.
Seat, quite a bit of room. Interior. Pretty good visibility. I'm pretty impressed. little build up here on the flare. There we go. I'd like to think we got the muddiest.